Welcome to the DynoMax Performance Exhaust Mobile Sound Lab. What you are about to experience is a sound clip taken directly from one of our vehicles equipped with the revolutionary DynoMax VT muffler and one of our competitors' mufflers. This custom-designed dual system has a diverter valve and Y pipe directly after the catalytic converter that will direct the exhaust through one system at a time. The animation on this display will visually show you which muffler you are experiencing. The sounds you are about to hear are not fake, fabricated, or altered in any manner from the original recording. Warning: if you are pregnant, have heart conditions, experiencing hair loss, stuffy nose, upset stomach, loss of vision, feeling discombobulated, or completely oblivious to what drone is, please fasten your seatbelts, as this sound experience is about to amaze you and make you think twice about those other ordinary mufflers on the market today. Thank you for your time. We hope you enjoyed your experience with the revolutionary DynoMax VT muffler.